Welcome, welcome. Hope you've all had a good Thanksgiving, those that celebrate it. Us in Australia, I don't think there's too many people celebrate Thanksgiving. I think they're more for Christmas and New Year. But yeah, whatever you participate in is your choice, and I'm sure it's wonderful. I hear all the lovely food that you all get, and I would like to be in that. Today is going kind of be a bit special. I'm going to try and recreate some of the beautiful skies that we have here in Australia. My husband said it kind of looked a bit more like the Northern Lights, but we have some turbulent but beautiful skies. So I'm going to recreate this, or try to recreate. It's going to turn out pretty interesting, so please continue to watch the colours piled on and the magic happen. And it's a bit relaxing too, because I'm going to just let you listen to some music while I've got the nice ASMR bits in it, and see the end product. But I will be doing a second video because I have embellished it with a stencil after, so I'm still doing a bit of work on it at the moment. So I'm going to put this first video out because you can absolutely leave it as you see what point I get it to. It looked quite beautiful. My husband actually loved it, which I was surprised. So maybe it's a bit masculine. I'm not sure. You can tell me what you think and give this a go. So I was kind of planning out my effect for the sky using these gorgeous colours with a lot of metallic in there. I did use that wicker colour with the yellow, and blazing, I think it's called blazing cloud was the other orangey colour. And I think it's got some black and just the cream in there. But it turns out beautiful, so stay with me, people, and watch the end results. Thank you. So I did also add, that is metallic copper, and I add some cool red to it, so sort of really yummy colours. Oh, super happy with those results. You'll see when I turn it round, it looks like it's got the sun in the centre low there. And it's going to, well, it does look lovely in my wall picture app, which always is helpful, showing you what your end product can look like on the wall, and that looks super duper. Yeah, I do get criticised that these are not true sizes of your art, but they absolutely can be if you have a good high definition photo taken. You can get prints any size, as big as the size of a building. So, and it's just to display the art. There's no malice or deception. You've seen the size of the piece of art I do on the... So it's just giving you, you know, a view. Most people actually love seeing the finished art on the wall like this. So I hope you do too. But please watch out for part 2 and decide whether I failed it or nailed it. Bye for now.